What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you a simple method on how to draw Princess Peach from Super Mario. Let's begin today's lesson along the bottom center of our page with the top edge of the eyes. Now you want to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left. We're going to draw a curve that goes up and then out towards the side. So go up, go out. I just want to bend that down slightly towards the outside. Let's line up the bottom over on the right and do the same thing, going up in the opposite direction. Bend that out and then down. Now we're going to go back to the left side and draw the bottom of the eye. We start by going straight down, round out the eye. I'm just going to pull that up on the inside. Now we're going to tuck the iris and pupil underneath the top of the eyelid. Let's start from the very top. We're going to draw an oval, coming all the way down towards the bottom, and then pull that up on the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right. We're just going to line this up, coming down towards the same height. Go out and then up. Let's trace this oval along the inside from the pupil. Just leave an even space gap all the way around and going back up. And then along the top of the pupils, we're going to draw a small circle for a highlight. And we'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Let's add a thick trim around the eyes for the lashes. We're going to start from the inside along the top. I'm just going to taper this so it gets wider as it goes up and then out. And come down the side and then taper that in towards the bottom of the eye. Let's fill the lashes in black. Now just on top of the eyes, let's add the eyebrows. We're going to line up at the inside of the pupil, step up. I'm just going to bend this up and then out. Let's go over towards the right and do the same thing. Now I'm going to move to the center, step down, draw the bottom edge of the nose. We're going to curve this down and then up. Let's step up and draw a short curve across the bridge of the nose. Now from the bottom of the nose, let's step down and add another curve. Coming down from the mouth and then up, and then we'll add a small bracket on the ends. Let's draw the upper lip. In the center, draw a V going up and out towards the side. Bend this down and then out towards the corners of the mouth. Now we're going to draw in the lower lip. Starting back over on the left, come down in the middle, and then pull that up. And now we're going to go back up to the top and draw the centerpiece of the hair. We're going to start in between the brow. Let's start with a point. Now we're going to add some layers working our way out. Let's start with the left. We're going to go out and then up. Go back to the center, go out and up with a shorter line towards the right. Now we're going to add a layer. Stepping up, go all the way around the left side and bending that up. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Now let's go to the center at the very top of the head. Start with another point. I'm going to add some layers, going out and down toward the left and right side. Go back to the center, and go up, and then come down towards the side of the head. Let's add that hair coming down along the side of the head. We're going to start from the top left, curve this down across the eyebrow, in towards the eye, and then we'll bend that up towards the side. Do the same thing on the right. We're just going to line this up, coming down, in towards the corner of the eye, round out the hair, and then pull that back up. Now let's add some layers, coming down and then up on both sides. And we'll add another point. From this tip, step down, and this out, and then up. Come down and up on the inside. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw the bottom edge of the crown. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to add a curve, going down in the middle towards the hair, and then bend that up. Let's go straight up along the side towards the top of the crown. Now from the top, bend this down and then in. And it'll draw 2 straight angle lines going up and in towards the center point, going up a little bit higher in the middle. Now I want to show that this crown bends around the back. So in this gap area, add a point, going up and then in. Let's add a large oval in the center for the gemstone. And we'll add a trim along the bottom. So we'll take this curve, step up, and just trace that across. Let's add 2 smaller gems on the side with a half oval. Now we want to tuck the back of the hair in behind the crown. In the bottom corner, step up, bend this out, and then down. And we'll line that up on the right side. From the bottom, curl this up towards a point. I just want to tuck this in towards the side of the hair, coming down and then in. Let's add a little bit more texture along the top, bend this out and then down. Let's add some texture along the side. We're going to step up, bring this down with a curve. Now with the hair in place, let's move down and draw the outside of the head. From the outside of the left eye, we're going to step out, come down, round out the cheek. I'm just going to pull that in towards the chin, just underneath the mouth. Let's round out the chin, going up and out towards the right, and then bend that up underneath the hair. And add some hair along the side. So from the top left, come down and then in. And just pull this out and up underneath the head. Let's add 2 half circles along the outside of the earrings. And then we'll draw the rest of the hair along the back. Let's start on the left side, come down, and bend that out. Bend this down, and then up on the inside. Now I want to add 1 more layer along the bottom. So starting on the left, come down and up underneath the head, and then we'll do the same thing on the right. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Princess Peach from Super Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to draw more characters like this, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.